Tax and
Fear
everything.
mongering?
Yes,
Some people are going to pay $200 a month.
I think it's $200 a month for the race.
That's fear mongering.
We've been quoted as saying that. I don't, it's a hobby here. It's almost like sport in this county. It's sad. It's sad because it manipulates.
You don't think
It
that
manipulates
you don't
people
think
and takes
that
advantage of their lack of
taking
knowledge.
you don't think that the use of eminent domain to basically benefit that ski resort is also
You need to put all the facts in
equally
order as they
heinous?
apply.
Let me comment on a couple of things. One, that you don't try, like membrane technology is totally misunderstood in this case. Because the waste load allocations that are determined, you can't treat to a better quality and be able to put more water in. The waste load allocation is 1.5 MGD. George Phillips is a very educated guy. He came to our office. We spent the better part of 2 hours discussing this. And even he is somewhat under the misconception that, well, if we put in a pristine treatment plant that takes water to water quality standards, into drinking water standards, that we can put as much water as we want into the stream. That's not true. What is true is that we can put only 1.5 MGD in at that point. That the hearings that were held in Marlington, which some of you were there, you heard that you can't put more than 1.5 MGD in there. There was allegations, well, the plant wasn't designed large enough to handle future development in Pocahontas County. Well, the fact of the matter is the 1.5 MGD is the limiting factor to development in Pocahontas County.
Is that
And by putting in a regional plant, it allows not only Snowshoe, but all residents of Pocahontas to have an equal opportunity
how much?
at that.
But your initial customer base is going to hog up most of that allocation, isn't it?
No.
1,800 customers, 2,000 customers. How many?
The answer is no.
Okay. How much is going to be left over?
The facility plan shows that what we have is a 3-to-1 peaking factor. The average daily flows are somewhere around 500 to 600,000 in the winter months, and around 250, 300,000 in the summer months. We actually have to have a facility that has 4 sequencing batch reactors. The reason for that is that the flows on ski weekends, there's 6 major weekends during the year, and I'm sure you guys know them better than I do. Those 6 weekends drive the peaking factor, the 1.5. In the summertime, it shrinks to much less than that. So a normal peaking factor for a treatment plant is 3-to-1. In your case, it's going to be more like 7-to-1. So you have to have a facility that's flexible to be able to do that. That's one of the primary reasons we went with a sequencing batch reactor. It's another reason why we went with the smallest footprint possible, because in